Dear friends, topic of the today is, many people Arsenicum album is a homeopathy medicine that is recommended as prevention for homeopathy as a homeopathy medicine to prevent coronavirus. That's why many people have taken this particular arsenicum album in 30 potency 3 days, daily one time for three days on empty stomach. For children and adults, both dosage is 5 pills to adult and 3 to 4 pills to children. This medicine is suggested by Ayush department and many other experienced homeopathy doctors. I am also a homeopathy doctor. For the last 40 years I have got a good experience with homeopathy and its remedies. Today I will talk about arsenicum album. This is a poison actually. Generally it is a poisonous element, but when made as a homeopathy medicine, you cannot find any trace of arsenicum album in that particular medicine. That is the great thing in the homeopathy medicine, which never contains any poisonous material or any adverse material in homeopathy medicines when potentization is done. Potentization is a big chapter. Only homeopathy doctors and lecturers and great principals, great researchers, they can tell about that potentization and other things. Fundamentally, I have told many lessons on homeopathy also. Anyway, now we will limit to our knowledge to arsenicum album 30 potency. The general information about this medicine is, arsenic is a toxic chemical element historically used as a poison, but it is safe to use with infants through the elderly when prepared in homeopathy potencies. Those who need arsenicum album are prone to hypochondriasis, a type of fear or doubt in the mind, and are intolerant and of untidiness and disorder. They are anxious, critical, and restless, and dislike being alone, but may be irritable with company. Restlessness may be followed by exhaustion, which is out of proportion to their illness. They fear illness and disease, death, and being alone. Arsenicum album patients are fear of death. Discharges tend to be acrid and burning. Burning pains paradoxically feel better for heat, except the headache, which is better for cold applications. Thirst is for sips of warm drinks, but cold drinks worsen the situation. Symptoms, all the symptoms to the arsenicum album required people, every symptom worsens between 12 midnight to 3 a.m. Colds and hay fever. This is the main symptom. That is why we are recommending arsenicum album 30 as preventive medicine for coronavirus. Colds and hay fever, red, puffy, burning eyes that feel better for hot compresses, watery nasal discharge that burns reddens the nostrils and lip. These people's nostrils and the tip of the nose are becoming very red. Frequent sneezing. This is also a common symptom with all viral infections. Frequent sneezing with no relief. Cough worsened by cold air or cold drinks. These people want to drink cold, but it worsens the situation. Rapid difficult breathing and wheezing. This is also a major symptom for virus infective people. Rapid difficult breathing with wheezing, asthma like symptoms, pneumonia like symptoms. That is why Arsenicum album 30 is recommended for this virus. Coughs or wheezing worse for lying down. If the person is lying down, the cough and wheezing sound in the bronchial tubes will become worse and better if they are sitting up. Headaches, burning, throbbing pain, worsened by heat and relieved by cold applications or cool air. Skin problems, these are not related to present virus symptoms. Eczema with burning, itching, dry skin, digestive problems, thirst for frequent small sips of water, burning stomach pains eased by drinking milk, offensive burning, scalding and diarrhea. A key remedy for food poisoning symptom is gastroenteritis, motions and vomitings both put together. We call it as food poisoning. Fever, this is also a symptom with present virus. Hot head and cold body. Chilly and want to be rugged up. Chilly, they want to cover the whole body and at times they remove it again. Sleep restlessness and anxious insomnia between midnight and 3 a.m. Dreams of robbers. These are the main symptoms that suggest this particular remedy for prevention of present virus. Many people have taken under the guidance of Ayush department. So certainly it is a good remedy. Undoubtedly this will help in controlling virus in India. Those who have already taken and they are repeating it second time after a month. This medicine should be taken 3 doses consequently for 3 days on empty stomach. 5 pills to adults, 3 pills to children. This is the dosage. Thank you very much.